Alright, so welcome back to continue on with the video over here. What we're going to do is we're actually going to take you to the website here. So, I'm loading up Google Chrome. So, as you see here, my computer running a little bit slow because I have actually a couple processes running. So, I'm going to take you to the Twitter page here. Hope you like my Avengers background. Let's see here. Alright. So this is my website on our PC repair. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull up the actual website, let you know where we get our leave off because I got cut off from the last time. I'm going to do a quick speed up basically. What we did is we went through here. Here's the link that I'm talking about. We did the startup, delete, run a few programs, boost, and then it says to basically troubleshoot, check for performance issues. So to do that, back to the control panel. As you see here, the control panel here. Okay, so inside here we go straight up here through the control panel, then to system and security. Inside system and security, you're going to see the action center. I'm going to click on that. Inside here, they have cool tools. They have maintenance. I already have maintenance in progress, which you just basically click on that, and it will start the maintenance for Windows 8. Or you click troubleshooting right here, and you go to the troubleshooting. And that will take you through the troubleshooting process through the control panel. So you click on that, it will pop that up, and it would go through this. You got programs, hardware and sound, you can configure a device, use a printer, network and internet, system and security. You could run maintenance tasks right there. So you just basically press next. It detects any issues that you have, and it basically does it. You have to do it as administrator. So you click try as administrator. Remember, if you have a password on the administrator user, it's going to prompt you to log in. But because this is the administrator user, and on Windows 8, it does not run it as administrator all the time. It runs it as administrator only if you tell it to. And that's basically what we just did. So I'm going to wait for that to finish. While we wait for that to finish, we are going to move on. So this says here, clean your hard drive. Tells us to do a disk cleanup. So let's talk about the disk cleanup. So inside here, we go to my computer or this computer, right click on that, go to properties. So we get inside properties. If you don't see my computer in here, no worries. You just basically open this up. On Windows 7, I believe it is called computer. On Windows 8, it's called this PC. And you're going to see local disk. You're going to need to do a right click on local disk. Once you do a right click on local disk, you're going to click on properties. What this is going to do is pop this up. And the system maintenance troubleshooter just finished. No changes or updates were necessary. Close the troubleshooter. If it has stuff for you to do, it will fix it for you. So now we click this cleanup and it's going to load. Then this is going to pop up. We're going to check that. Temporary internet files, check. Offline web pages, check. Peer user, archived Windows error reports, system archived Windows error reports, debug dump files, recycling bin, setup log files, system error dump, memory dump files, temporary files, and I'm going to uncheck system log files because I don't need those. Now, we're going to click OK. Let this go through that process. Delete files, and it's going to delete a bunch of files there for me. So now, to move on, because that's going to take a while. To move on, it says check your hardware. So let's check our hardware here. So back here to the troubleshooting inside the control panel. I'm going to click that to the control panel home. It's going to take us right here. So as you see, it's running slow because I'm doing a screen recording on here. And I'm also having a lot of things running, and that comes from the processor there. Probably a better processor would help it, but it's a little slow right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to do performance, information, and tools. So that's what we need to get to here at this time. So let's take a look. We're going to go to search. Information and tools. See if they have it here on Windows 8. Nope. On Windows 8, looks like they don't have it. So what we're going to talk about here is this. Fix it. This, we're going to Google search fix it, and it's going to pop up here with Microsoft Fix It Solutions Center. This cannot be used on Windows 8 because inside Windows 8 you go to System and Security, you go to Action Center. Inside the Action Center you have what we just talked about, and as you see you also have maintenance. Run the maintenance. So that's also another reason why my computer is running so slow, because I have maintenance running here at this time. So as you see, that's going to take care of that. Then on here you're going to have Windows. Select the Windows or select the issue that you're having, and so you could select slow performance or startup, and then you click run now. This would fix it for you. So that's how you do it on XP, 7, and Vista. On Windows 8 it's a little bit differently. And you could also recover your PC without affecting your files. Now remember, doing a recovery will affect any files saved today or any date after the date that you select. For example, if I selected the 17th, every file on the 18th and 19th will be affected, even though it says to not. Now you could create a restored drive, so this way you can have an actual recovery, and you could configure it and save your files and everything. So this is an open restore, undo recent system changes, but leave files such as document printers, music chunks changed. This won't really get rid of any viruses if you have them, but I'm not going to go into them. And then you could also do configure system restore. This will delete any files. Alright, so let's get out and continue on here. This says here, keep your PC up to date. Again, settings. We're going to go to change PC settings on Windows 8, and you're going to see Windows Update there. And you just run your updates. Or control panel, like we've been in. Let me go to control panel. It's loading up now. Again, remember I have the system maintenance running, which is going to slow down your computer. And I also have this disk cleanup running. Like I said, it's going to take a long time. It's still cleaning. So inside here now for the Windows Update, go to System and Security, Windows Update there, and you can install and keep it updated. You're going to see 7 optional updates. I like optional updates because they have a lot of stuff for your things. I don't like to do the Bing bar. I like to do the Windows. I don't like to do the Bing because I don't use Bing. That's up to you if you want to. I don't need it on my computer. Why am I going to take up space? These drivers here are things for your actual computer. What I mean here is, as you see, it says WLAN right here. This is for your wireless Wi-Fi adapter. This will allow you to get speeds and signals better. This is for your graphics card. This improves graphics. This is for my printer. And this is for other hardware. So now I'm going to install those, not right now because it's going to reset our computer. But I'm going to install those later once I finish. And then on here, you're going to see keep your PC up to date. We did that. Now we're going to adjust visual effects. Performance, information, and tools is what we tried to go through, but we were unable to find those. So we're going to do it this way. what I am doing here is I'm pulling up the control panel. Once my computer wants to pull it up, there we go. Now again, I do understand that this is supposed to be speed up your PC type thing, but because of the stuff that we're running right now on the computer, it is going to be slow at this time. Once we finish, you will see a huge difference. Oh, there we go. Starting to do stuff. Alright, so let's take a look at our graphics cards. So let's see here. Inside here you could personalize everything that you need, change the font, change the folders, displays, those types of things. You can adjust the screen resolution. We're going to go to display on Windows 8. And you should see adjust visual effects on here. Let's see. Alright. So it doesn't look like it has it in here, so I'm just going to search for it on the entire control panel. And there we go. So when it wants to load up, because we have a lot of things running, there we go. Here's your performance options. So you can let Windows choose what's best for your computer, or you can do adjust for best appearance, make your thing look amazing, or you can do adjust for best performance. As you see, nothing is checked. So let's see here. Okay, so you can adjust it for best performance, or let Windows choose what's best for your computer. I like to do that one. But if it's really slow, you could always do it that way. So again, remember that's in System. And let's see here, let's go to Control Panel Home, System and Security. And inside the System and Security, it looks like it's going to be inside System. And then once you get inside System, it looks like it's Advanced System Settings. Let's find that. That's here, Performance, and then Settings. So that's what it is on Windows 8. And then you have the startup, then you have the recovery, and you got system protection, remote, and a lot of things that we're not going to go into today. So that basically does it, and it looks like that was done. So that just finished there. Let's take a look here. Close this one out. My computer's processing the other file finish here. Let's see here. And almost done. Alright, so now that's done. Let's take a look and see if my system maintenance is done. Let's see here. Security, Action Center, maintenance. Looks like it still has maintenance in progress, but as you see, it's already running faster. You see that? Bam, bam. Much faster than it was. And let's see, properties. Alright. And then we just close that out. And we're good. So that concludes the video. So remember, rnrpcrepair.com if you can't do it yourself. And I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a great day. Take care. And that ends the video. So Have fun, and rnrpcrepair.com.